Good morning, students. We are studying our chapter 2, Microorganism, Friend and Foe. In this chapter, we are studying nitrogen fixation. In the previous presentation, we have learned about what is nitrogen fixation and what is the role of nitrogen in living things. Today, we will see the types of nitrogen fixation in detail. So, we have learned what is nitrogen fixation. The process of reducing dinitrogen, that is N2 gas, to ammonia so that plants can absorb nitrogen is known as nitrogen fixation. Types of nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation can be categorized into two groups, biological and non-biological. Biological nitrogen fixation again can be categorized into two groups, symbiotic nitrogen fixation and asymbiotic nitrogen fixation. First, we will see non-biological nitrogen fixation. Our next topic is non-biological fixation. Non-biological nitrogen fixation occur by lightning. In this process, nitrogen gas in the atmosphere is converted into nitrates. Non-biological method of nitrogen fixation is by lightning. Another process which helps in nitrogen fixation is lightning. It is a natural phenomena where the energy of lightning breaks and converts the non-absorbable form of nitrogen into a usable form. Even though the contribution of lightning in the nitrogen fixation is small, they save plants from the deficiency of essential elements. Non-biological nitrogen fixation can be shown with the help of these reactions. Nitrogen may be fixed by the electrical discharge of lightning in the atmosphere. Lightning plus nitrogen gas plus oxygen gas is equal to 2NO, that is nitrous oxide. Now this nitrous oxide combines with oxygen to form nitric oxide, that is NO2. Nitric oxide readily dissolves in water to produce nitric and nitrous acid, that is HNO3 plus HNO2. HNO3 is nitric acid and HNO2 is nitrous acid. These acids readily release the hydrogen, forming nitrate and nitrite ions. The nitrate can be readily utilized by plants and microorganisms. HNO3 is equal to H plus NO2 ions, nitrate ions. HNO2 is equal to H plus NO2 minus nitrite ions. HNO3 is having nitrate ions, HNO2 is having nitrite ions. Our next topic is non-symbiotic fixation. When fixation is carried out by free-living microorganism, it is known as non-symbiotic fixation. They inhabit both terrestrial and aquatic habitat. That means they live on both terrestrial and aquatic habitat. They can be aerobic, anaerobic or blue-green algae. Some examples of free-living nitrogen fixers: free-living aerobic bacteria, Azotobacter; free-living anaerobic bacteria, Clostridium; free-living photosynthetic bacteria, Chlorobium, Rhodosudomonas; free-living chemosynthetic bacteria, D-sulfobibrothioBacillus. The topic continues. Free-living fungi, yeast and Pilularia also do the nitrogen fixation. Blue-green algae, unicellular, means made up of one cells, Gliothecines, Filamentous non-heterocystus, Oscillatoria. Filamentous heterocystus, Toli, Pothrex, Nostoc, Anabaena. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.